Greetings to everyone. As Bhaikan Singh Naba Library of Shri Guru Gobind Singh College, Sector 26, Chandigarh, adds another feather in its cap, we congratulate librarian Dr. Anita Chatwal for implementing yet another online service for a seamless access to the library collections, especially during the COVID times. Lauding this effort, we have a video message from Sardar Karandeep Singh Chima, an advocate by profession and secretary of the local management committee and also the joint secretary of the college management committee, the Sikh Educational Society, Chandigarh.
Dear students, on behalf of the Sikh Educational Society, it is my privilege to announce that Bhai Khan Singh Naba Library has added a new service of Web OPEC for all library users. This online service is a gateway to connect with the college library from any location. The library staff has taken up various initiatives from time to time in order to upgrade the library as per the evolving circumstances. I congratulate Mrs. Sarabjit Kaur, the college principal, and college librarian Anita Chatwal and her team for this initiative. I hope the staff would show the same dedication and commitment in the future also.
Thank you, Sardar Karandeep Singh Chima, for your kind and appreciative words. Following ahead is another video message by our ever encouraging and supportive principal, Mrs. Sarabjit Kaur. Over to you, ma'am.
My dear colleagues and dear students, it's a proud privilege for me to announce that our Bhai Khan Singh Naba Library Department has introduced Web OPEC interface, that is online public access catalog, to facilitate access to the library collection online. This facility is available to all the faculty members and students on home page of college website. This will be very beneficial during the current scenario of this pandemic. Moreover, our library has radically changed from hybrid to digital in a short period of time during COVID-19 pandemic. Blog was one such initiative launched last year, which we all have already accessed many times. Though website is an essential and dynamic platform to connect and serve the targeted users, but technology alone is not enough. In such a situation, the role of library professionals is very crucial to make their users aware about the facilities and services provided by them. Now I congratulate and appreciate the efforts of Dr. Anita Chatwal and her team for initiating such services and hope for further enhancement of the same. Dr. Anita Chatwal, librarian, will explain more about.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for the detailed update on the current library services. And finally, we have the last video message from the librarian herself, Dr. Anita Chatwal, who will give us a deeper insight into the WebOPAC services. Over to you, Dr. Anita Chatwal.
Thank you, Professor Bushik, and greetings to everyone. I am happy to share with you all that the library department has added a new service of WebOPAC interface, that is online public access catalog for all the library patrons. This service is made available through internet, that is college website, as well as through intranet, that is library premises. Through this service, patrons will be able to view holdings of the library. They will be able to check book availability status, that is whether the book is issued or it is available in the library. They can view the books borrowed on loan. By logging into their accounts, they can view check-in and check-out history, and finally they can reserve the book online. For reserving a book online, they will have to click a symbol of reserve given at the right side of each book. By clicking this symbol, they will be able to reserve a book online. Only those books which are issued and for which no other copy is available in the library. Only those books will be reserved online. Once the reserved book is returned in the library, the requester will be sent an email notification with the message to collect the book from the issue counter within 2 days. In case the book is not collected within 2 days, then the book will be sent back to the stack area on 3rd day. An email notification including login ID and passwords along with the tutorial and detailed instructions and features will be mailed to each and every library patron. The students can view holdings of the library with immediate effect. Their login ID and passwords, they will be activated from the coming session. The library department is making an effort to issue identity cards to the students from the coming session. The library department expresses its gratitude to the worthy management and principal madam for their financial and moral support and encouragement. Our thanks to the committee members for recommending the purchase of this module. Our sincere thanks to Professor Avninder Singh Chima and his team for providing us support and overcoming all the technical glitches faced during the implementation of this service. We acknowledge the support rendered by website coordinator Professor Purnima and her team in completing this task. Last but not the least, we are also very much thankful to Professor Gurshik for accepting our request for anchoring this event in a very short span of time. In case anybody feels any difficulty in accessing this service, please feel free to contact me or the library staff members, Mr. Ashu Sood, Assistant Librarian, or Mrs. Mandeep Kaur, Library Restorer. We will be happy to assist you in accessing these services. I wish happy surfing to all of you. Thank you so much.
Congratulations once again, Dr. Anita Chatwal. I conclude by acknowledging that as we teachers are currently working from home, it would be greatly beneficial for us to have an online access to the library collection. As explained by Dr. Anita, we could place our request either through a phone call or a WhatsApp message, and a text would be made available to us at the library window to be collected at the earliest opportunity. Thank you and happy learning to all.